Hey garden friends, so I'm out here playing with Portulaca. Portulaca is a beautiful ice plant that comes in different colors. There's a beautiful pink one here and yellow there. And I saw these plants at my local grocery store and I just couldn't resist. They were selling them for $1. So I thought to myself, I have hanging baskets at home, so why not create one of these beautiful arrangements? So I'm gonna get right to it. I'm gonna take these out and fill my basket with soil. And I've got all of this here, and I hope that that will be enough. I think it will. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna gently take this out of its nursery pot by squeezing the bottom. Just kind of squeezing it out like that, and I'm gonna mess with the root system here. Really nice, healthy roots there, and I'm going to make my well. But before that, I'm gonna take my other one out. So I could fill this up fast. I went ahead and bought 2 for 1 basket, but you can easily get away with just planting 1 and then waiting for it to like get super big, but I didn't want to wait. So I'm gonna nestle them, let's see, so side by side like this. So I'm gonna make one well right there, and I'm gonna make the other one right beside it. Why not a big well? Why not a big one? Duh. Okay, and these are big root balls here, and I really don't want to take them apart because they can be a little sensitive. So I'm just going to nestle them right on top very gently and slowly start covering them up with the soil. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And I'm going to squeeze this one a little more towards the side here. Oh, that's so beautiful. I'm so happy. Okay. Put the other one right there. And this one's a little taller. So I'm just gonna gently press it down on there, cover it up completely with soil. And I'm gonna put some more soil on top actually. It can use a little more. So I'm just gonna fill in all of that with soil. But I don't have it at hand right now, but you can kind of get the idea of how it's gonna look. And it's that easy. And it brings so much happiness to your life, these plants, you know? Oh, that is just so beautiful. So this will be hanging up somewhere pretty soon. And it looks like a little mess, it's a little wild, but that's okay. Oh, I'm gonna grab this little chain here. And that's my air conditioning machine, my air conditioner turning on. Normal sound around here, especially in July. Midsummer here. So I'm gonna adjust the little plants around the chain here, and voila. It is done. It is done. That is so awesome. So this is gonna fill in nicely and bloom like crazy, hopefully all year long. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.